Hi. Good morning. Hello, hi, good morning. Tanuj Kumar, good morning. Hi, good morning. Hiramai, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Holistic Wellness Vijayawada. Good morning. Bagunnara, everyone manchi at home. Sudeshna Padamata. Good morning. Tanuj Kumar, good morning. Good morning. Yogi Vardhan, good morning. Bagunnara, everyone manchi at home. Hashni, good morning. Kiran, good morning. Good morning. Bagunnara, everyone manchi at home. Everyone has came out of sleep. Everyone is awake now or still sleeping. Morning class after long time. Ria Twinkle, also good morning. Good morning. Bagunnara, everyone manchi at home. Everyone manchi at home. Yeah, very good. Everyone is manchi at home. Everyone is awake at home. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? Two options you have. Either you will be chilling at the home or you will be studying at the home. So what are the two options? Studying, sir, no problem. Or better we can say chilling with studying. Actually, study is also a type of chilling. There are different ways to chill. Out of those ways, study is also a way to chill. So better we will say chilling with studying. In short, we call it as CWS. Till NEET 2027, we will chill by only one method, that is chilling with studying. For normal people, study may be a burden. But this coming 9-month study will make me doctor. This study will make me selected in the NEET exam. This study will make my dream to get realized. That means this study is not burdensome. This is also a type of chilling. So better whenever I will ask you what's going on at home, I know you will be studying, but you will say answer CWS, chilling with study. Is it okay, bhai? CWS, chilling with studying. Chilling, but we are not normal people, sir. That we will chill by movies, we will chill by outing. We are ultra pro legends. So that's why we are chilling, but we are chilling with study. We are UPL people. In short, I say UPL people, we are UPL people, ultra pro legends. That's why we are doing CWS. That's why we are chilling with studying. No problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Class शुरू कर दे भाई. Class शुरू कर दे. Shall we start? बोल दो. Sudeshna is saying yes, sir. Sheikh Rahman is also saying yes, sir. Hiramai also saying yes, sir. So in last class, we completed up to 9 rules of, yeah, okay. So now we'll start. With our class. No problem. Yeah, okay. In last class, we were talking about 9 rules of differentiation. 9 rules of differentiation we completed in the last class. 9 basic rules of differentiation we completed in the last class. 3 more rules are there which we are going to complete today. And after completing these 3 rules, differentiation will be also completed. No problem. Yeah. So 9 rules already done. 3 more rules we will do. After that, 12 rules will be completed and differentiation will be also completed. So our main target will be to talk about this remaining 3 rules. These remaining 3 rules are not very frequently used. But seeing the standard of paper will be tough, lengthy, calculative. Then you must know these 3 rules also. Before that, very fast, we will revise the 9 rules that we studied till now. You can say the answer, no problem, just to check how much you remember. What is differentiation of x to the power n? Rule number 1, x to the power n differentiation will be x to the power n differentiation will be, जल्दी जल्दी बता दो भाई. You can type it in the morning. Practice will happen. Type it fast. N x to the power n minus 1. X to the power n differentiation will be n x to the power n minus 1. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Everyone is saying rule number 1. Everyone remember, x to the power n differentiation will be n x to the power n minus 1. What is differentiation of constant c? Constant c differentiation. Constant c differentiation. Maximum answer will come this time. 0. Constant c differentiation will be 0. No problem. Whenever constant is alone, its differentiation will be 0. Achha, if constant is multiplied with the function, if you have function cx to the power n, then what will be its differentiation? Cx to the power n differentiation. Cx to the power n differentiation. C will not participate, sir. X to the power n will be differentiated. So it will give us answer C n x to the power n minus 1. C will not participate. Constant, whenever multiplied with the function, do not participate in differentiation as well as in integration. So it will become C will remain as it is. X to the power n differentiation will be n x to the power n minus 1. No problem. Yeah. Achha, if many functions are added, then how will differentiate? If many functions are added together or subtracted together, then how you differentiate? If many functions, one by one. First we'll differentiate first one, second one, third one. That means rule number 4 is also known as one by one differentiation. No problem. Yeah. Sin x differentiation, come on. Okay, no problem. Sin x differentiation, sin x differentiation. Sin x differentiation, cos x, no problem. So sin x differentiation will be cos x, no problem. Cos x differentiation, sin x differentiation, cos x. Then cos x differentiation, twarga, minus sin x. You have to be careful. Sin x differentiation, cos x, but cos x differentiation is not sin x. Cos x differentiation will be minus sin x. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Tan x differentiation, come on. Tan x differentiation, sec square x. Yeah, tan x differentiation will be sec square x. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Ln x differentiation, very good. Everyone is giving answer. Ln x differentiation, 1 by x. Ln x differentiation will be 1 by x. Ln x differentiation will be 1 by x. Yeah. E to the power x differentiation, e to the power x differentiation, same as e to the power x. E to the power x differentiation is same as e to the power x. Yeah, no change will happen, no problem. Yeah. And what is this number e? What is the name for number e and what is its value? What is this number e? Name of this number e? Exponential. Its value is around 2.67. No problem. So these are the 9 rules of differentiation which everyone remembered also. No problem. So that means if it will come, you'll be able to do. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Exponential is exponential whose value is 2.67. So everyone remembered all these 9 rules. No problem. Yeah. Now 10th, 11th and 12th, these rules will be slightly complicated. Before saying you these rules only, I am saying these 3 rules are going to be slightly complicated. That means you have to be extra focused to understand this rule number 10, rule number 11 and rule number 12. So you have to be focused. So generally used, generally they are not used. 95% of situation they will be never used. But seeing the standard of paper, they may ask you some question based on these rules also. So that's why rule number 10, 11, 12 are not very important, but for tough paper they become important and it's slightly complicated, so you have to be extra careful. You can write rule number 10. Rule number 10. Rule number 10. And this rule number 10 is also known as product rule. Product rule means multiplication rule. If you remember, rule number 4 was addition and subtraction rule. Rule number 10 will be product rule, or you can say multiplication rule. So rule number 4 was when functions were added, how to differentiate. Now we are going to study functions are multiplied, not multiplication of 3 functions. Only 2 functions will multiply. Yeah. So rule number 10 deals with multiplication of 2 functions. So rule number 10 is also known as product rule. तो एक बार देख लो, no problem, yeah. Okay, slightly complicated, but not very tough to understand. Little focus will be required. तो एक बार देख लो rule number 10, no problem, yeah, okay, yeah. Rule number 10 says whenever we have any function y which is in the form of product of 2 different functions. 2 different function means one may be sine function, one may be cos function, one may be exponential, one may be log, one may be trigonometric, one may be algebraic. So what rule number 10 says, whenever I have any function y which is the form of product of 2 different function, which is in the form of product of 2 different function, and if anyone asks me, that's why its name is product rule. We are going to multiply 2 different functions. In the last class, we added 2 functions. We subtracted 2 functions. Now we are going to multiply 2 functions. Someone says, sir, I am giving you one function y, which is present in the form of multiplication of 2 different type of function. And if anyone asks me to differentiate this y with respect to x, can anyone tell me what differentiation will come? Because maybe you have seen this type of product rule. Many of you have seen. Sudeshna has said correct answer. No problem. Anyone else? So again point is same. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Again point is same. Now you have 2 functions multiplying. Again both functions you cannot differentiate at once. So again you have to differentiate one by one. I will simply say, sir, you also there, we also there. How to differentiate? So what I will do, both are multiplied. So one I will leave, other I will differentiate. Out of u and v, u I will leave. Anyone you can leave, no problem. Yeah. Out of u and v, u I will leave, v I will differentiate. Plus, right now I have left u and differentiated v. Now I will leave v and differentiate u. This is your rule number 10. U dv by dx plus v du by dx. Are you getting idea, bhai? Just like you are having bhojanam, water is also there. So it's not like that bhojanam you will keep in your mind, at the same time water also will keep in your mind. Yeah. It's just like you are having biryani, very spicy biryani you are having. Of course, you require one glass of water also there. So water also there, biryani also there. So it's not like that in one hand biryani, in one hand water, and you will take both together. No. What you will do? Water you will leave, biryani you will eat. Then biryani you will leave, water you will drink. So both will be again one by one we are doing, no problem. Yeah. So out of u and v, both we cannot differentiate at once. So out of them, one we will leave. For example, I have left u. I will differentiate v. Plus, previously I have differentiated v. Now I will leave v and I will differentiate u. Is it okay, bhai? Product rule समझ में आया? प्रोडक्ट रूल समझ में आया? एक एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करूं क्या? शैल आई डू वन एग्जाम्पल? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. एवरीवन हैज अंडरस्टूड. सो आई विल डू वन एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो जस्ट टू गिव यू मोर आइडिया. No problem. Yeah. And two ways are there to use this product rule. एक बार देख लो, एक one example I will do, then I will give you some questions to practice. 3-4 questions I will give you to practice. एक बार देख लो, no problem, yeah. Okay, no problem, yeah. For example, someone came and he said, I am giving you one function y. Y is given as x square into sine x. Someone came and he has given me one function y, and y is given as x square into sine x. You see, x square is a different type of function, sine x is a different type of function. So someone came and he has given me one function y equal to x square into sine x. If you want to use the formula, I will tell you with formula also. Yeah, Yogi Vardhan has said the answer also. I will first do with the help of formula. We can also do with the help of formula, or we can do without formula also. So first I will do with the help of formula. I will simply say, sir, you are having product of two function. That means y I can write as u into v. Our u will be, sir, x square. V will be, sir, sine x. First I am trying to do with the help of formula. So below this y equal to x square sine x, I will write this is product of two different function. That means y is equal to u into v. U value is x square, sir. V value is sine x. Now from here I will use the formula. You have given, sir, y equal to u into v. You want dy by dx. So first I will write the formula. U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. I am first doing with the help of formula. Actually, this much story not required. People do directly. But first I am trying to tell you how to use that formula. No problem. Yeah. Now I will put the value. What is the value of u, sir? X square. What is the differentiation of v, sir? dv by dx means differentiation of v. V is sine x. So sine x differentiation will become cos x plus v. What is v, sir? Sine x. Du by dx. What is the differentiation of u, sir? U is x square. Its differentiation will come 2x. That means our final answer will become x square cos x plus 2x into sine x. So this is the complete procedure to solve with the help of formula. Is it okay, bhai? समझ में आया? Is it okay? हाँ, everyone has said the answer. I will give some question to practice. Don't worry. Is it okay? But always remember, this much of a story actually not required. So do I have to do this much? I will assume u and v, then I will write the formula, then different. No need to do this much. People don't do. People simply say, you have given me y equal to. I will now do without formula. Without writing this formula also you can do, without assuming u and v. If you feel discomfort in this, then use the formula. Otherwise people do directly. People simply say, you want dy by dx. Okay, two functions are multiplied now. So both I cannot differentiate at once. So one I will leave. Anyone you can leave. I will leave x square. And I will differentiate sine x. So it will become cos x plus. Previously I have left x square and differentiated sine x. So now I will leave sine x and differentiate x square. That will come 2x. Same answer will come. No need to follow this entire steps. People write directly. समझ में आया क्या? If you feel problem in doing like this, then you will do like this. Because everyone don't have same mental capability. Yeah. If you feel problem in doing directly, then you will do like this. Otherwise, people get directly. 95% of students do directly. अरे दो है ना मल्टीप्लाइड, दोनों को कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करोगे? पानी भी और बिरयानी भी दोनों एक साथ कैसे करोगे? तो पहले पानी पियो, बिरयानी छोड़ो, फिर बिरयानी खाओ, पानी पियो. That's it. So people follow like this. No one goes this much big, because who has that much of time? So I'll give you some question. Can I give you some question? 3-4 questions can I give you to practice? Morning practice will happen. Chalo, no problem, no problem. You can write, come on. You can do some question. You can write. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So you can give answer one by one also, no problem. All three also together you can give, no problem. Yeah. Shuharshita, this is the problem with you. You are coming late now. Shudeshna has given correct answer. तनुज कुमार अच्छे चेक करो भाई. Only one part क्या है? Suharshita came late and given the wrong answer. Came late, given first answer which is wrong. Twinkle has given answer for second one also. Okay, Twinkle, where is the answer for first one? Okay, Vardhan. Good morning. Coming late. Sheikh Rahman, first answer correct. Okay, Shuharshita. Timetable every day 7 o'clock. Shudeshna has given answer for first one. Okay. Suresh answer for second one. First one wrong. अबे e to the power x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 by x कौन बोल रहा है? दुर्गा देवी अच्छे से करो भाई. योगी वर्धन has given answer for all three. बहुत बढ़िया योगी वर्धन, बहुत बढ़िया. But somewhere minus will also come, Yogi Vardhan, in third one. Acha, first part. Okay, correct, Yogi Vardhan. Ria Twinkle, first answer correct. Bhaskar also first answer correct. These are rarely used differentiation, but you should know. Sheikh Rahman, first one is correct. X into 1 by x, you can write 1 na. Sheikh Rahman, x into 1 by x, that is not needed to tell. X into 1 by x, you can write 1. Second one, you are writing answer x into 1 by x, that is 1. Entertainment 8186 correct. Ria Twinkle, minus will come in first part. Thoda अच्छे से करो भाई. Ria Twinkle plus minus is wrong. Vaskar Gopi Sethi, second one correct. हाँ, Sudeshna, third also correct. No problem. Yeah. Minato Jumaki. बाप रे बाप, कितना टफ नेम है. One, हाँ, second one answer correct. तनुज कुमार, you are now giving answer for first one. अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे भाई? दुर्गा देवी first one only giving answer. Hiramai, okay, correct. Durga Devi given second answer also. Holistic Wellness Vijayawada also correct. Hiramai correct. I think everyone is getting correct answer. No problem. Yeah. Somewhere mistake is happening. No problem. Are you writing down the formula? Are you assuming V, writing the formula and then getting answer? Sheikh Rahman, sin x into minus sin x, you can write minus sin square x. Bhaskar Gopi Sethi, second correct. No. So no need to write u into v and then do. Directly people do. Product rule is easy to use. Division rule will become little tough. But product rule always easy. I will simply say, एक बार देख लो भाई, most of you have got correct answer. At the end I will ask you, how many of you got all three correct? So I'll simply say, sir, you want dy by dx. Now two functions are multiplied. This is one function, this is another function. Both functions are multiplied. I cannot differentiate both function at once. So what I will do? One I will differentiate, other I will leave. So x cube I will leave. E to the power x I will differentiate. So e to the power x differentiation will remain as e to the power x plus, so out of both I cannot differentiate at once. So I will leave one, other I will differentiate. So I have left x cube and I have differentiated e to the power x. E to the power x differentiation remain as e to the power x plus. Previously I have left x cube and I have differentiated e to the power x. Now I will leave e to the power x and differentiate x cube. That differentiation is 3x square. Now from here, if you want, you can take x square common also. If you take x square into e to the power x, you can take common. X square into e to the power x, you can take common. Here x will be left. Here 3 will be left. How many of you got this answer for first one? So no need to write u into v. Directly you can do. Shudeshna got, Hiramai giving answer for last one, correct, no problem. Ria Twinkle got, Meena Tomojaki got correct, very good. Bhaskar Gopi Shetty got, Durga Devi got. Come on, Twarga bhai, morning, you have to be extra fast. Hiramai got, okay, no problem. Entertainment got, Yogi Vardhan. I think everyone will get. So no need to write u into v, then do nothing. Directly we can get, yeah. Tulsi got, Sheikh Rahman got, no problem. Yeah. Now again next one, dy by dx. Again no need to write the formula. I will simply say dy by dx. So 2 are there, both are multiplied. I cannot differentiate both at once. So one I will leave, other I will differentiate. So I will leave x and I will differentiate ln x, which is 1 by x plus. Previously I have differentiated ln x and I have left x. Now I will leave ln x and differentiate x. Now I leave ln x and differentiate x. X differentiation will be 1. Now from here this x will also get cancelled. So you will get here 1 plus 1 into ln x will give you ln x. How many of you got answer for second one? I think everyone got. Come on Twarga, jaldi se bata do bachcho. Tell me very fast. Shudeshna got, Ria Twinkle got, Bhaskar, Yogi. These are considered to be tough differentiation, but you are able to do because you understood the method. Yeah. Holistic Wellness, Hiramai, Gauri, Durga Devi. Everyone has got the correct answer. There should not be any problem. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Now let's move to the third one. Again, they are saying you find dy by dx, same process. Now I'm getting bored. Same thing we are doing again and again. Sir, sin x is sine function, cos x is cos function. Two are multiplied. I cannot differentiate both at once. तो एक को छोड़ो, दूसरे को differentiate करो. पानी को छोड़ो, बिरयानी खाओ. फिर बिरयानी को छोड़ो, पानी पियो. Same thing we have to do. I will leave sin x and I will differentiate cos x. That differentiation will be minus sin x plus. Previously I have left cos x and I have differentiated previously I have left sin x. Now previously I have left sin x and differentiated cos x. Now I will leave cos x and differentiate sin x. Sin x differentiation we already know, cos x. Means this will ultimately come, sin x into sin x will give you sin square x. So this will become minus sin square x plus cos x into cos x will give you cos square x. Is it okay? By how many of you got all three correct? How many of you got all three correct? We'll move towards division rule. Holistic Wellness got all correct. Hiramai all correct. Tulsi all correct. Bhaskar, Ria Twinkle, Yogi Vardhan, Gauri, Minato Mujaki, very good. Durga, Shuharshita, okay. Shuharshita, Sheikh Rahman, Neerja, okay. Shudeshna, Padmata, okay. Yeah, all have got correct answer. Very good. Keep on doing your hard work, no problem. Yeah. So is it okay? BK Entertainment, can we move to rule number 11? Can we move to rule number 11? Dheeraj Reddy, very good. Yeah, so rule number 11, now we will move. You can write rule number 11. Now this is actually complicated. Rule number 11, which is also known as division rule. Rule number 11, which is also our division rule. तो एक बार देख लो, very rare. Till now I have not seen any question which came in the NEET which was based on division rule. Till now never came. Till now never any question came. Product rule, some question has been asked where it was used. Yeah. Tough model, old models. Yeah. But division rule has been never asked. There has not been even a single question in the NEET exam till now where division rule of differentiation was used. But till now doesn't matter, it will not come. So that's why we need to know. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So once you can check with the division rule, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I will just drink water. So once you can check with the division rule. What division rule says? Just now we have got u into v. But someone came and he said, I am giving you a function y. This function y is given as u by v. This is the meaning of division. Product means multiplication, u into v. Division means u by v. So if someone came and he has given me one function which is division of two different functions, one function u, one function v, and he asked me to find dy by dx. Now it's complicated. So better here we use formula. Here my advice for you, I can do without formula also, but you, whenever question comes from division rule, better to follow the formula. So formula says whenever we have two functions u and v and both functions are divided, and if someone asked me to differentiate y, so rule number 11 division rule says is differentiation will come v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. So this is the formula which you have to remember for division rule. Division rule you cannot do directly. So for division rule you have to use the formula. You have to write what is u, what is v, then you have to write the formula, then you have to put in the formula, then answer will come. That's why it never asked till now. Till now in NEET there has been never any question where division rule of differentiation was used. But since we are doing, we will do now also this also, because chance is there in tough paper, lengthy paper, they can give. कुछ समझे क्या? So better division rule, whenever it will not come, I don't feel it will come, but even it will come, we can do. But here you have to remember the formula. Whenever two functions are divided, assume numerator to be u, denominator to be v, then write the formula, then use the formula, then put the values in the formula, you'll get the answer. So if y is u by v, someone asked me to differentiate, so differentiation will come v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. No problem. Yeah. Okay, if you want to know, sir, how to remember the formula, we can remember. Actually what we do here, एक बार देख लो, no problem. Yeah. Actually what we do, if you don't want to use the formula, then you have to use this technique. I don't remember formula, I use the technique. I simply say, whenever u by v will be there, bring the denominator up. Denominator you have to bring diagonally up and differentiate numerator. This is a technique I use. Yeah. Bring the denominator up here, u by v. So whatever is in the denominator, bring it up and differentiate numerator. Minus reverse. You have left denominator now differentiate denominator. First you have differentiated numerator now leave numerator, and since division is there, that's why here minus will come and here it will become v square. But it's tough to understand, so better, that's why I said you in the beginning, better go with the formula in a division rule. That's why it is not asked. So my suggestion, whenever division rule is there, write down the first, assume numerator u, denominator v, then write down the formula, then put the value, you will get the answer. Is it okay, bhai? Shall I show one example? एक example से show करूँ क्या? एक example से show करूँ क्या? तो एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, इट्स इजी, नथिंग टू वरी, या एंड नॉट यूज्ड आल्सो, बट ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, या तो एक बार देख लो, एक एग्जाम्पल, वन एग्जाम्पल आई विल टेक जस्ट फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, देन आई विल गिव यू सम क्वेश्चन, यू विल डू, नो प्रॉब्लम, या चलो, ओके 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 ओके, या someone came and he said, I am giving you y equal to x square by sin x. Someone came and he has given me one function. Y equal to x square by sin x, and he asked me to find dy by dx. So first step, एक बार देख लो भाई, steps देख लो for division rule, because here steps are important. Someone came and he has given me y equal to x square, clearly appearing x square is one function, sin x is other function, both functions are divided, so better I will first assume this as u by v. U value I will write, sir, I will first assume x square by sin x, we will assume in the form of u by v. What is the value of u, sir? X square. What is the value of v, sir? Sin x. Now I will write the formula. Once we have u by v form, what is the formula for division rule? What is the differentiation of division rule? U by v form. So v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Now I'll simply put the value. What is v, sir? Sin x. What is du by dx? What is u? U is x square. So what is du by dx? What is differentiation of x square? 2x minus u. What is u? X square. What is dv by dx? What is v? Sin x. So dv by dx will become cos x by v square. What is v? Sin x. So sin x whole square, which we can simplify and we can finally write as this will become. Again, if you want, you can take x common. X will be common. It will become 2 sin x minus x cos x. 1x we have taken common by sin x whole square. You can write as sin square x. Is it okay, bhai? समझे क्या? Acha, many people have given answer also. Sudeshna has given, holistic wellness has given, Kiran Hiramai has given, Shuharshita given some answer. Here it's complicated, that's why better to go with formula. Otherwise somewhere you'll miss something, some mistake will happen. Being teacher I can do, but being student it will be tough for you. So better go by the process. U by v form, write u, write v, then write the formula, then put the value, answer will come. चलो एक क्वेश्चन फटाफट बना लो, चलो भाई एक क्वेश्चन फटाफट बना लो, नो प्रॉब्लम, या ओके, चलो बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, 2 questions we will do, one by one we will do. X cube by ln x. You have to find dy by dx. It's tough to write also. So if you are not able to type the answer, you can simply type done, sir. I'll understand you have done. Then at the end, I will ask how many of you got correct. It's tough to type. TTY. Tough TTT. Tough to type. अच्छा, मीनाटोजुमाकी, हे भगवान, मीनाटोजुमाकी saying done sir. Okay Tulsi, no problem. After completing you can just say done sir. I will do, then I will ask you to check the answer. Yogi Vardhan has typed also, very good. Shuharshita has also typed answer. Bhaskar is saying done sir. Okay Shuharshita, very good. Simple. Now after knowing this much you already know, from here we can write this as sir u by v. That means sir u value will be x cube, v value will be sir ln x. Then I will write this the form of u by v. Then I will write the formula v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Just values pattern v enta v ln x u enta x cube. So du by dx will become sir 3x square minus u enta sir x cube dv by dx. What is v ln x? So dv by dx will become 1 by x by v square. What is v ln x? So ln x whole square. This one we can cancel. So finally answer we can get. This x square x cube will be cancelled. X cube and x. So here x square will be left. Here also x square will be left. So we can take x square common from the numerator. So here it will become 3 ln x minus here 1 by ln x whole square. This is the final answer. How many of you got this answer? Many people have said that answer. Very good. Twinkle got, Durga Devi got, Sheikh Rahman got, Minato Moji, Shudeshna, Durga Devi, Bhaskar, Hiramai, Yogi Vardhan. I think everyone has got. Yeah. Okay. एक और क्वेश्चन फटाफट बना लो भाई. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन बना लो. हाँ. तनुज कुमार, सेरेन, दुर्गा देवी. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन बना लो डिवीजन रूल से. चलो 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 चलो. If you are feeling difficulty to type, you can simply write done, sir. I will understand you have done. Tanuj Kumar saying done, sir. As a Yogi Vardhan has typed the answer also. Very good, Yogi Vardhan. Yeah. Then we can simplify also, Yogi Vardhan. Bhaskar is saying done, sir. Gauri is saying done, sir. Riya Twinkle written answer. Okay, Riya. Meena Tomujaki correct. Very good. Shuharshita also correct. Yogi Vardhan okay. Yeah, we can better simplify, then final answer we can. I think everyone will get. So again easy. First we will write this as u by v. Sir, u is how much, sir? 2x plus 3. What is v, sir? 4x plus 5. Then I will write the formula. dy by dx will come, sir. I will know the formula. v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Now we'll just simply put the value. What is v? V is 4x plus 5. And what is du by dx? U is this. So what is du by dx? If you differentiate this, it will give you 2. Minus u. What is u? Minus u. What is u? 2x plus 3. dv by dx. What is v? V is this. So dv by dx will become 4x plus 5 differentiation will become 4 by v square. V is 4x plus 5 whole square. Then we can simplify also. If you simplify, better to write final answer after simplification. Yeah. So 2 into 4, this will become 8x plus 10 minus, this will become 4 into 2. This will also become 8x plus 12 by 4x plus 5 whole square. So this will give you this plus 8x minus 8x. 10 minus 12 will give you minus 2. So it will become minus 2 by 4x plus 5 whole square. Is it okay, bhai? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. योगी वर्धन, very good. After simplification, give an answer. बहुत बढ़िया. Is it okay? Everyone is feeling confident about product division rule. Is it okay? Can we move further? I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. Once again, you can check product rule and division rule. Then we'll move towards last rule of differentiation. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. Everyone is getting answer. Everyone is getting correct answer. No problem. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. Once again, you can check product rule, division rule. Then we'll move towards last rule. Bharti saying hi, sir. Bye. If everything is okay, you can say done, sir. We'll move towards our last rule. Crystal clear. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Everyone has said done, sir. Now you can write rule number 12. Rule number 12. Rule number 12. This rule number 12 is a very versatile rule. It's a very big rule. In maths, it is used in so many places. But in physics, we need to know limited part of it. Always keep in your mind, I'm not teaching you maths. I'm teaching you only that part of maths which will be used in physics. So rule number 12 is going to be very big rule, very versatile rule. In class 12th, those who study maths, this rule number 12 comes very long. But we'll talk only about that part of this rule which will be used in our physics. And this rule number 12 is our chain rule. This is known as chain rule. Rule number 12 is known as chain rule. It is used in maths, it is used so much, yeah. But in physics, we require a small part. That small part I will tell, no problem, yeah. And it's your understanding. It will depend totally on your understanding. There is not any formula. It will be not any formula, yeah. In NEET 2025, one question came where it was used. Yeah. So that's why you have to be careful. You have to be, and there is no any formula. These are technique. एक बार देख लो. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not going to write any formula on the board. First, I will explain you the technique. एक बार technique देखो, no problem. It's an easy formula, easy rule. It's an easy rule, but its rule is not any formula that you'll remember, you'll put it, you'll get the answer. No. Like we have division rule, like we have product rule. Here your understanding will matter. तो एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how I'll develop your understanding. एक बार देखो. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For example, if I give you y equal to x to the power 10, can you tell me what will be dy by dx? If I give you x to the power 10, what will be dy by dx? क्या पूछ रहे हो सर? Rule number 1, LKG. Now it is LKG. X to the power 10 differentiation will come 10x to the power 10 minus 1. Rule number 1, that means it will come 10x to the power 9. No problem. Yeah. You will be thinking, so yeah, okay. From here only I will relate. Yeah. So someone came and he gave y equal to x to the power 10. He asked me find dy by dx. Rule number 1, nx to the power n minus 1 I will do. But assume same person came to you and he has given you to differentiate. But now he has given you to differentiate. Can you tell me what will be its differentiation? Similar manner he has given, but some changes he has done. Previously it was x to the power 10. Now it is 2x plus 3 to the power 10. एक बार देखो, एक बार देखो, एक बार देखो, एक बार देखो, no problem, no problem. This is the chain rule. This is the chain rule. Chain rule says if you know differentiation of x to the power 10, you also know differentiation of 2x plus 3 to the power 10. If you know differentiation of x to the power 10 now, you also know differentiation of 2x plus 3 to the power 10. Only you have to use me. This chain rule is a use me rule. The way on the dustbin it is written now, use me. In the similar manner in chain rule we have use me. If you know x to the power 10 differentiation, you also know 2x plus 3 to the power 10 differentiation. Just you have to use me. Just you have to use the chain rule. Answer will come. See what is this chain rule. Some people are typing the answer correct, no problem. See what is this chain rule. Yeah. Chain rule says the way, थोड़ा ध्यान देना भाई, there is not any method, this is not any formula that I will write. तो method को समझो, थोड़ा method को समझो, no problem. Yeah. This chain rule says the way differentiation of x to the power 10 was 10x to the power 9, in the similar manner differentiation of 2x plus 3 to the power 10 differentiation will be the similar manner. 10 2x plus 3 into 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 1. We are using first rule again. N x to the power n minus 1 into differentiation of this. What is differentiation of 2x plus 3? That will be 2. So answer will become 20 2x plus 3 to the power 9. नहीं समझे? नहीं समझे? You did not understand. Your differentiation will be divided into two parts. You have to make chain of differentiation. One differentiation, second differentiation. That's why its name is chain rule. You'll connect two differentiation. एक बार देख ले, फिर से देख ले, फिर से देख ले. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. देख ले भाई, देख ले, देख ले, देख ले, देख ले, देख ले. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Okay, very simple. Actually, what happens here, I will tell you the exact explanation so that you'll get more clarity. Actually, what we do, we got y equal to, we have y equal to this. And they're asking me to find dy by dx. First thing what we do, we assume this as a z. Okay, see the process. Now I'm telling you the process. I told you the method. Now I'll say you the process, how this comes. Yeah. Actually what happens, 2x plus 3 to the power this, that means this we can assume as z. So y will become z to the power 10. Y became z to the power 10. What they ask us to find dy by dx. That means this will become dy by dx. Now this dy by dx we can write as, this became z to the power 10. Now what we do, we write this as dy. What is y? Z to the power 10 by dx. Now you cannot differentiate z with respect to x. So that's why we do one method. We write like this, dz to the power 10 by dz into dz by dx. Both are same thing. I have divided with dz multiplied with dz. They will get same thing. Same thing I am writing in this manner. Hello bhai, this is the meaning of chain. You are forming a chain of differentiation. One differentiation, second differentiation. You have formed a chain. I cannot differentiate z with respect to x. So I have introduced here z. Z will be differentiated with respect to z. So that's why I have divided with dz. Then I have multiplied with dz. Now this will become ultimately how much? Z to the power 10 differentiation with respect to Z will come 10 Z to the power 10 minus 1 into dz by dx. Now we'll put the value of Z, 10. Z to the power 10 minus 1. What was Z? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 to the power 9. 2x plus 3 to the power 9. dz by dx. What is Z? 2x plus 3. So what is the differentiation of 2x plus 3? That is 2. So answer will come 20. 2x plus 3 to the power 9. अभी भी नहीं समझे ना? अभी भी नहीं समझे ना? You don't have to do this much in the exam, bhai. You don't have to do this much. Just to understand, make you understand this thing I have told. What you have to keep in your mind, that again I will tell. What you have to keep in your mind to do chain rule, to use chain rule, I will tell you again. Right now I have told you entire process how this thing happened. तो एक बार देख ले. Once again, malli, no problem. One more example, yeah. Okay, yeah. So first thing, chain rule is very easy. What you have to do, you have to use differentiation in the similar manner. For example, again, someone came and he said, sir, I am giving you y equal to sine x square plus x, and he asked me find dy by dx. Simple. I will simply say, what is sine x differentiation? Cos x. So sine x square plus x differentiation will be also cos x square plus x into differentiation of bracket, into differentiation of this. What is differentiation of this? 2x plus 1. Answer came 2x plus 1 into cos x square plus x. Hello. Are you getting? अभी भी नहीं समझे? Are you getting? Easy. Whatever the thing you are, very simple. Whatever the thing which is creating problem there now. If sin x there, no problem. But now it is sin x square plus x. Means whatever the thing creating problem, that x square plus x is creating problem in your mind. Assume that at the back of mind to be z. Differentiate it normally. And then again differentiate that z. Hello. What is the problem? फिर से देख भाई. What is the problem? What is creating problem in this? Why this differentiation seems to be tough? Due to this. तो इसको back of mind में z मान ले और sin z का differentiation कर cos z, और जिसको z माना है ना उसको फिर से differentiate कर दे. Answer. For example, चलो, you will say what is dy by dx? This much is not used in physics, but I am giving you exact clarity. Bolo, what is differentiation? What is creating problem in your mind? X cube plus x square, उसको z मान ले. फिर नॉर्मल डिफरेंशिएशन कर ले. e to the power z डिफरेंशिएशन will be e to the power z. फिर z को भी डिफरेंशिएट कर, तभी तो चेन बनेगा. हाँ, Minato Moji has given correct answer. Ria Twinkle also correct. Yogi Vardhan also correct. सुदेशना ऑल्सो कर. क्या है? कुछ नहीं है भाई. सर मेरे को लोचा, आई एम फीलिंग प्रॉब्लम ड्यू टू दिस ना, तो इसको जेड मान दिमाग में. ई टू द पावर जेड का डिफरेंशिएशन लिख. ई टू द पावर जेड. जेड क्या है? एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर इनटू जेड, इनटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ जेड. एंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ जेड? 3x square plus 2x. So this is the final answer. 3x square plus 2x into e to the power x cube plus x square. Done. ये करना है. चलो एक और बताओ. चलो भाई. No problem. Yeah. I'm giving you y equal to निकालो dy by dx. ओके चलो निकालो dy by dx. First step, bring it in numerator, 3x plus 4 to the power minus 1. Tria twinkle, wrong, थोड़ा अच्छे से करो, square will come denominator. I think that mistake you have done typing. Again same, कुछ नहीं है सर, क्या है 3x plus 4, this is creating problem in my mind ना. So this is my z, so z to the power minus 1 differentiation, x to the power n differentiation, n x to the power n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into differentiation of z 3. So this will give you minus 3x plus 4 whole to the power minus 2. That will give you minus 3 by 3x plus 4 power 2. कुछ समझ रहे हो क्या? Only I am doing or you are also understanding? This much is not used but okay. Easy. Whatever creating problem in your mind उसको z मान ले, उसको x ही मान ले, चल उसको x ही मान ले, but जिसको x माना उसको फिर से differentiate कर. That's it. That is a chain rule, no problem. If you understood this, then final I will give you some easy which are used in physics. I am giving you y equal to sine 4x plus 10, y equal to sine 10x, y equal to e to the power 5x plus 4. Just do dy by dx. I have done, we have taken more tough example. These are easy example, everyone should get the answer. Typing is complicated, Tanuj Kumar, I can understand, no problem. Yeah. Minato Mojuki, very good. कुछ नहीं है. Ria Twinkle, very good. क्या प्रॉब्लम? व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम? इज दिस सर, इसको जेड मान ले, दिमाग में जेड मान ले. साइन जेड डिफरेंशिएशन विल बी कॉस जेड. व्हाट इज जेड? 4x plus 10 into differentiation of z. What is differentiation of z? 4x plus 10 differentiation is 4. So answer will come 4 cos 4x plus 10. हो गया. Yogi Vardhan has given all the answers. Very good. Okay, Yogi Vardhan, correct. Sudeshna has given, Hima Varsha has given, भास्कर गोपीशरी. कुछ नहीं है सर, साइन एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन कॉस हो रहा है ना, मेरे को ज्यादा नहीं समझ. साइन एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन इज कॉस ना, सो साइन 10x डिफरेंशिएशन विल बी साइन एक्स डिफरेंशिएशन इज कॉस ना. हियर आई एम गेटिंग प्रॉब्लम ड्यू टू 10x ना, सो 10x को बैक ऑफ द माइंड में z मान लिया, सो साइन z डिफरेंशिएशन इज कॉस z. व्हाट इज z? 10x into differentiation of z. What was z? 10x. So what is the differentiation of 10x? 10. So answer will come 10 cos 10x. Here also क्या है सर, ये प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है, इसको बैक ऑफ माइंड में z मान लिया, तो e to the power x differentiation, e to the power z differentiation, e to the power z into differentiation of z, into differentiation of z. And what is differentiation of z? Z is this into 5. Answer. I think everyone has given the answer. Is it okay? Chain rule okay? And one final thing I will tell you there, which I will make it even more short. Everyone has got all correct. No problem. Crystal clear. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. चलो, okay. Just you have to keep just one thing in your mind. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. एक बार देख लो. We even simplify this chain rule. Actually, these are the chain rules which will not be even. Yeah, this was used. These are little tough chain rule. If you want more easy way, you can simply say, एक बार देख लो भाई, your answer only will tell everything. If you remember, थोड़ा I'm still simplifying the chain rule. Sin x differentiation is cos x. So sin 4x plus 10 differentiation will be also actually what is happening in all this situation, and these are the differentiation which will be used in physics. Always remember, differentiation formula will remain same. Only you have to multiply with coefficient of x. Like sin 4x plus 10 differentiation will be cos 4x plus 10. What you are doing everywhere? Here you multiplied with 4. What was 4? Coefficient of x. Here you multiplied with what? 10. 10 you multiply. What was 10? Coefficient of x. Here what you did? You multiplied with 5. What was 5? Coefficient of x. So short part of, yeah, if you want in short you can simply say in chain rule. Same formula, sine differentiation cos, e to the power x differentiation, e to the power x, sine differentiation cos. So sine 10x differentiation will be also cos 10x into coefficient of x. That is 10, so into 10. You can say in short like that also, but better know the entire process of chain rule. Is it okay, bhai? Is it okay? So almost we have completed all the rules of differentiation. For today we will end here only. Next class we will start with integration, and this week we will also start with vector. Because time is not there, we have to complete the syllabus early. Already everything has been delayed. So once again you can sit and you can check all these examples, practice some questions by yourself, no problem. Yeah. Acha, timetable they did not put. In some of the groups they may forget. So this is how we have talked about. More situations from here we'll be talking in the next class. Weekend syllabus will come. This entire basic maths will be there. Differentiation, integration, and vector will be also there. After 3 days we'll start with basic part of vector, which will be used in our actual chapter. So tata, bye bye, take care, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, bye bye bye. Come on, bye bye bye.